Have you ever wondered if the Big Bang was more than just a cosmic explosion? What if it was a divine moment where spirit transformed into matter, setting the stage for everything we know? Could the universe itself be the physical expression of a greater spiritual reality? In a world where science and spirituality often seem at odds, is it possible they're actually telling two sides of the same story? What if the mysteries of the cosmos and the whispers of our souls are interconnected in ways we've only begun to imagine? Today, we're going to explore a fascinating perspective that might just change how you see the universe and your place in it. So stay tuned as we delve into the idea of the Big Bang as a divine transition from spirit to matter. But before we dive in, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to join us on this journey of discovery. Imagine a time before time, a space beyond space, where only the infinite presence of the divine existed. Many people who have had profound spiritual experiences, moments where they felt deeply connected to something greater than themselves, describe encountering a realm of pure love, light, and unity. They often say this realm feels more real than our everyday lives, filled with a sense of ultimate truth and understanding. What if this spiritual realm is the true origin of our universe? From this perspective, the Big Bang wasn't a random event born out of nothingness, but a purposeful act by a divine consciousness, a transition from a spiritual reality into the physical world we experience every day. Think about it. The universe began as a singularity, an infinitely dense and hot point where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. This mirrors the idea of a spiritual realm that's beyond our physical understanding, a place where concepts like time and space don't exist in the way we perceive them. Then, in an instant, this singularity expanded, and the universe was born, a moment when the divine essence transformed into energy and matter. This transformation could be seen as the divine manifesting itself in a new form, allowing for the creation of galaxies, stars, planets, and, eventually, life itself. But why would the divine choose to manifest in this way? Perhaps the physical world offers unique opportunities for learning, growth, and development that aren't possible in the purely spiritual realm. In our lives, we face challenges, make choices, and experience a wide range of emotions, all of which contribute to our personal and spiritual growth. Many spiritual teachings suggest that we're not just physical beings, but spiritual ones having a human experience. This idea resonates with those who've had life-changing spiritual encounters, who often return with a newfound understanding that love, compassion, and connection are the true essence of existence. Consider the concept of light, which plays a significant role in both science and spirituality. In the early universe, light was one of the first things to emerge after the Big Bang. Similarly, in spiritual experiences, people often describe encountering a brilliant light that represents knowledge, love, or the divine itself. Could these parallels be more than coincidence? Maybe they hint at a deeper truth, that the physical and spiritual worlds are intertwined in ways we're only beginning to understand. Let's delve deeper into this idea. Throughout history, humanity has sought to comprehend the nature of existence. Science provides us with incredible insights into how the universe works, uncovering the laws that govern everything from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. At the same time, spirituality explores the why, the purpose and meaning behind it all. What if embracing both perspectives offers a more complete understanding of our reality? By seeing the Big Bang as a divine transition from spirit to matter, we bridge the gap between science and spirituality, recognizing that they might be different languages describing the same phenomenon. This viewpoint encourages us to see ourselves and the universe as deeply connected. If the universe is a manifestation of the divine, then everything within it, including us, is part of that sacred essence. This realization can inspire us to live more compassionately, understanding that our actions affect not just ourselves, but the entire cosmic tapestry. But let's address some common misconceptions. Some might think that science and spirituality can't coexist, that accepting one means rejecting the other. However, many scientists and spiritual leaders today believe that the two can complement each other. For example, quantum physics introduces concepts that challenge our traditional understanding of reality, suggesting that consciousness might play a fundamental role in the fabric of the universe. Moreover, recent research into consciousness and the nature of reality hints at a universe that's far more mysterious than we once thought. Studies on the interconnectedness of particles, the observer effect, and the nature of time and space all point toward a reality that's not as separate and mechanical as it might seem. So, how does this perspective help us in our daily lives? Recognizing that we're part of a greater whole can change how we interact with others and the world around us. It can encourage us to act with kindness, understanding that what we do has ripple effects throughout the universe. It also invites us to look within, to explore our own consciousness and spiritual nature. Many find that practices like meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature help them feel more connected to this greater reality. Of course, this is just one perspective, and exploring it raises many questions. Does this mean that every part of the universe is conscious, or has a purpose? How do we reconcile this idea with scientific observations? Is there room for both scientific inquiry and spiritual understanding in our quest for truth? As we ponder these questions, it's important to remember that seeking answers is a fundamental part of the human experience. By staying open to new ideas and perspectives, we allow ourselves to grow and evolve. So, could the Big Bang be more than a scientific event? Might it be the moment when the divine essence became the universe we know, a transition from spirit to matter that set everything into motion? Whether you find this perspective enlightening or challenging, it's a fascinating concept that invites us to look at the universe and ourselves in a new light. What are your thoughts on this idea? Do you believe that science and spirituality can coexist and complement each other? Have you ever had a spiritual experience that changed how you view the world? We'd love to hear your views, so please share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. Your support helps us continue to delve into these intriguing topics. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep seeking, questioning, and embracing the wonder of the universe.